In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment scheduling on Squarespace using both Acuity and Calendly. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or simply someone looking to streamline your scheduling process, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get everything up and running smoothly. First, let's start by opening the Squarespace website. Once you've logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the section designated for scheduling. Here, you will click on the option labeled Scheduling. This is where you can begin to integrate your appointment scheduling tools, making your process efficient and user-friendly for anyone looking to book time with you. After accessing the scheduling section, the next step is to focus on creating appointment types. Click on Create Appointment Types to get started with this setup. This is the foundational step where you'll define the different kinds of appointments you offer, whether they're consultations, meetings, or any specific service you provide. Clear and accurate appointment types not only help you stay organized, but also give your clients clarity on what they can expect. Now it's time to set up your schedule page. This is a crucial part of the process since it will serve as the public-facing page where clients will book appointments with you. Begin by clicking Edit on your schedule page, which allows you to customize this section according to your business needs. Start by inputting the name of the service or appointment type. Make sure this is clear and succinct, leaving no room for ambiguity about what the appointment involves. Adding a description is equally important. Here, you'll include pertinent details about the appointment. Think of any frequently asked questions or nuances specific to the service. The more information you provide, the less back-and-forth communication will be required to clarify details. Next, you'll need to input your available hours. Be mindful of providing a range that best accommodates your availability and flexibility for clients. Accurate hours help manage expectations and avoid scheduling conflicts. Alongside this, specifying the time zone is crucial. This ensures there's no confusion if your clients are from different parts of the world, and everyone is on the same page right from the get-go. After setting your available hours, take a moment to explore other areas that might require data entry. Every business is different, so ensure you've covered all aspects that are specific to your services, whether that's buffer times between appointments, cancellation policies, or automated reminders. Once you're confident everything is set up to your satisfaction, the final step is simple. Click Save. Saving your work ensures that all your settings are secured and active. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a streamlined appointment scheduling system on Squarespace using Acuity or Calendly, making it easier for clients to book your services and for you to manage your calendar seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling.